Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to edit the checkout page of our site using the Oceanwp theme and the e-commerce plugin WooCommerce. To do that, we need to go over to the name of the site and we are going to click on Visit Store. And now we are going to add a product to our cart. And we are going to click on View Cart. And now we have two products here. We are going to click on Proceed to Checkout. And here we have the checkout page. So we are going to go to the top and we are going to click on Customize. Here we are now. We are going to the left bar and where it says WooCommerce, we are going to click. And we are going to click on the Checkout tab. And here we have some options. We have the company name here, which can be selected as optional, hidden, or required. So we are going to hide that one. We have the address line second field, which is this one right here. We have optional, hidden, or required. We are going to hide that one too. And we can also do it with the form field, required, hidden, or optional. So we are going to do that as a required field. And here we can select to highlight the required fields with an asterisk here. And we have the privacy policy page. And here we can select a different page if we wanted, if we have created any. And for the terms and conditions, we can also do as well. We have not created any page for the terms and conditions, so it has no page set at all. And from the privacy policy, optionally add some text about your store privacy policy to show during the checkout. And here we can change what it says. And for the terms and conditions, we can optionally add some text for the terms checkbox that the customers must accept. So here we can change it. And we can activate a distraction-free checkout, which will disable the menu and the footer, so we will not have any header or footer. And we can also activate the MultiStep checkout, but we are going to go back to this option in a moment. So now we are going to go back a little and we are going to click on Advanced Styling and we are going to scroll down to the bottom and we will have the checkout options of the style. So we have our checkout options and here we have the notice border color, which is this one right here. Notice icon color, which is this one here, the color of the text, and the color of the link, which is this one right here, and the notice link purple color, and the notice border colors, which are when we click right here and we can add decoupling. And for the titles color, we can change it here, and we can add border to the bottom, and the table name background we can change it here. So we're going to do that as it is, and the table title color we can change it by clicking here, and we can change the color of the borders as well. And for the payment method background, we can change it here. We are going to do that as it is. And we can add a border color and a background for the payment method. And for the payment box color, we can change it here. So we're going to go with that black one. And for the bottom here, we can go to the theme directory, the channel options, and on the theme buttons here, we can change the color of the button. We are going to go with a yellow and a purple. There we go. And we can change the font's color as well. So we're going to go with white. So we are going to go back to the WooCommerce the checkout, and we are going to activate the multi-step checkout, and we need to click on the publish button, and we are going to need to refresh the page. And here we have the multi-step. So we are going to go to WooCommerce and check out once again. And here we will have some new options. Now we have the multi-step options, the timeline. We can change it to a square and an arrow. We are going to go with the arrow. And here we can change the background, the color of the fonts, the timeline number background here, and the number color here as well, and border, the number, and the background of the active one. So we are going to go with blue, or we are going to go with the purple, and the timeline active color. Here we can put a different color on the font. We are going to leave it white. Once we have made this, so now this will work in a way that we need to complete the first step, so we can move to add the shipping information and then the payment information. If we click next, for example, with empty options, it will show us some error messages. So now we need to save the changes we have made by going to the top left and clicking on publish. So that's it. We have edited the checkout page of our site using the Oceanwp theme and the e-commerce plugin WooCommerce in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.